If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. In my last video, we have learned about advanced filter. That is why we use advanced filter, location, what is the shortcut, the difference between AutoFilter and advanced filter, and also cover this three topics. That is creating an advanced filter in Excel, advanced filter by using comparison operator, advanced filter for text value. Now in this video we are going to cover these four topics. That is advanced filter with wildcards, advanced filter with AND criteria and OR criteria, advanced filter for extracting only specific column, and last, use of copy to another location option for copying the filtering data to another worksheet. Okay, you can check the YouTube link in my description box in which I have covered these three topics. Okay, now we are going to cover the rest four topics. Let's start our practical section. The first is advanced filter with wildcards. What are wildcards? See, wildcard criteria is like this, and here is the description. So first is asterisk, text, asterisk. What does it mean? Filter cell that contain text. Next is question mark, two question marks, text. What does it mean? Filter cell whose content begins with any two character followed by text. Next is text asterisk text. It means filter cell that begins with text and contain a second occurrence of text anywhere in cell. Next is, you can check in formula bar is equal to, in double inverter is equal to text asterisk text. What does it mean? It means filter cell that begins with and ends with text. Next, check in formula bar is equal to, in double inverted comma is equal to text 1 question mark text 2. It means filter cell that begins with text 1, ends with text 2 and contain exactly one character in between. Fine. Next is text tilde 2 asterisk marks. Means filter cell that begins with text followed by asterisk followed by any other character. Okay. Next is check in formula bar is equal to, in double inverter is equal to, and 5 time question mark. Means filter cells with text value that contain exactly 5 character. Okay. So what we will do, we will take this first criteria. So here I have mentioned asterisk, pen, asterisk. Fine. So let's start applying filter. Click advanced. List range is automatically selected. Select the criteria range and click OK. You will see I have set 2 criteria and here I got the result. I want text pen. I have used this first option. This. What does it mean? It means filter cell that contain text. So getting the detail of product which consists text pen of State Delhi. So I am getting the detail of pen, also getting the detail of pencil. Why? Because this pencil consists this text. My text is pencil. Sorry, my text is pen. So this pencil word has pen included. So I am getting the detail of pen and pencil. That's why we got the result. Okay, let's move to our next topic. That is advanced filter with AND criteria and OR criteria. Okay, let's start our work. So here is my data set and here is my criteria range. The first example is for AND criteria and second example for OR criteria. So what is AND criteria? Means the data gets displayed which satisfy both the condition, and in AND criteria we have to mention our criteria in the same row. Okay, and for OR criteria, what is that? We have to mention our criteria in two separate rows. Fine, means it satisfies two criteria, first criteria or second criteria. Fine, so let's move to our example, so the things will get more clear. So now first example is AND criteria. So I want the detail of order placed by State Maharashtra which has order value less than 2000. That means I want the record for State Maharashtra and the order value less than 2000. Fine. So just apply the filter. The list range is automatically selected. Select the criteria range. Click OK. So now here is the record displayed. Means it satisfied my first criteria, that is the detail of State Maharashtra and the order value less than 2000. Fine. So the detail of Maharashtra and the detail of order less than 2000. That means my both the criteria is getting satisfied. So I am getting this result. Fine. So now I am applying Control Z, as we have to move for next example also. That is for OR criteria. So what is that? We want the order detail of Maharashtra, that is order which has order value less than 2000, or order for Natraj pencil. Let's start applying advanced filter. List range is automatically selected. Select the criteria range. Click OK. So here is the result. We got the result which has order value less than 2000, order for Natraj pencil. Okay, let's move towards our next topic, that is advanced filter for extracting only specific column. Okay, so let's start our work. Here is my data set and this is my criteria range. Okay, as I told you that we can use two options. I'm just clicking it. We are having two options. That is, you can filter the data in that place itself or choose copy to another location. Fine. So now we are going to use the second option, that is copy to another location. In this topic, we are going to specify the column which we want to extract. So before applying, what we have to do? We have to mention the column head which we want to extract. Fine. So what I did, I have mentioned product, amount, date, state. Fine. Now I am going to apply this. My list range is automatically selected. Select second option. Select the criteria range. And in copy to option, you have to give a reference to the column label. So I am selecting this range. Now click OK. So we got the result. So the result is, we got the filter data according to the condition listed in criteria range. See, you can see the criteria. Product HB pencil, amount greater than 5,000 and order detail of Maharashtra. Product HB pencil, amount greater than 5,000. As I mentioned the date, it automatically came, and the detail of Maharashtra. Fine. Means with the help of this option, we are getting the data filter according to the condition listed in criteria range, and we get the data copy in this 4 column. Okay, that is the location which we have specified. Fine. Okay, so let's move to our next topic. Now our last topic is use of copy to action option for copying the filter data to another location. First, what we did, we have copied the filter data in that same sheet. Now what we are going to do, we are going to copy this filter data to another location. Let us see how. Okay, start applying. And this reference I have mentioned the column head in my second sheet. Fine. Click OK. Now you are getting the message like this: you can only copy filter data to the active sheet. Okay, so what we have to do, go to another sheet. Fine. Use advanced filter, copy to location, select the list, we have selected our list range, the criteria, go to the same sheet where this data set and criteria range is there, and select the range accordingly and just hit OK. We got the result. Okay, now we are not getting any message. The message we have received when at the time of I have used the first method. Okay, I hope you have understood all the 4 topics. That is, I just repeated: advanced filter with wildcard, advanced filter with AND criteria and OR criteria, advanced filter for extracting only specific column, and the last is use of copy to another location option for copying the filter data to another worksheet. So we have covered all this topic and I hope you have understood it. Just practice it, and if you have any doubt, just write in comment box. And if you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.